Okay guys, so what I'm about to tell you is really important, so please listen up. So as you've read the title, I'm going to be giving myself a stick and poke. I've never done this before, so obviously I'm not a professional and I am not encouraging this. I'm just simply showing you guys how I've done it. So if you decide to do it, please do it at your own risk, do your research and get the right equipment, such as the stuff that will be shown in the video. All stuff used will be in the description down below, and yeah, enjoy the video guys. So I shall be placing the tattoo over here, and if you guys like my nails, I shall leave the video down below in the description of how I did my nails at home. No acrylic, super cheap and easy. These are press-ons. And yeah, so I'm going to start off the process by putting down some paper towels so that the process is relatively sanitary and clean, considering we're going to be using some ink. So now I'm just going to show you guys all the stuff I'm going to be using in this video. So here is some tattoo ink that I got from AliExpress in the color black. I recommend using actual tattoo ink. I've seen videos where people use like pen ink, and that just puts you at risk of like poisoning your blood, and that's not good. So rather use tattoo ink. And then I got these little like containers for putting the ink inside. And next I'm going to be showing you guys the needles that I got. So here are the needles that I got. They are in the size 1205 RL. Try to get a needle size that is RL, and as you can see here, they've been sterilized, so they're good to use. And yeah, here is how they look. And now I'm just going to tear the one that I'm going to use for now. As you can see, I'm struggling because of my nails. But yeah, here we go. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is this non-toxic pen. So it's a great idea to do an outline of your tattoo before you start poking yourself, so that you know that your tattoo is like in the right position, it's the right size, etc. So this pen is good because the ink is safe for when you poke yourself. Like if it gets inside of you, it won't harm you or your blood, etc. So I really recommend getting this pen, and all the stuff is going to be in the description down below. I am not sponsored by AliExpress. These are all stuff that I bought on my own, and I really encourage you guys to use if you want to do a stick and poke and keep yourself safe. And then to clean my finger where I'm going to be putting the tattoo, I just use this micellar cleansing water, and I'm going to be cleaning that spot using these cosmetic pads. And yeah, that is my equipment for this process. So I filled one of those little containers with some ink, and now I'm going to clean my finger. And before you guys attack me in the comment section, I'm not actually sure if the water is okay to use during this process. I don't know, we're gonna have to see. I might do a 1 month update on the tattoo. And yeah, now that that is clean, I'm just going to do the design of the tattoo. So basically the tattoo I'm going to be giving myself is a ellipsis, and the meaning or the reason why I chose the ellipsis, basically I've been battling with depression, and initially I wanted to do the semicolon, but that is just like the typical tattoo that people get. So I wanted something more unique, and the ellipsis seemed a perfect one, especially for the place that I'm putting it. So now I'm just moving my hand around to see whether I like the position of the tattoo. So back to what I was saying. So the ellipsis has a meaning of basically like continuity. So it just reminds me that I should continue with my life. I shouldn't give up. And yeah, I don't know if I explained that like efficiently, but that's my reasoning for the tattoo. And now I'm just going to take out the needle and start with the tattoo. So here's a closer look of the needle. You can't really see it, but it's not like one single point. It's 4 points to the point, if you get what I mean. So yeah, I'm just going to dip that into the ink and start poking. And the strategy with the stick and poke is not to poke like directly downwards. You have to do it at a slanted angle, as you can see in the video. And you have to try not to poke too deep. As you can see, it looks like I'm poking deep in the video, but it's honestly not that deep. Just try to get into the second layer of your skin. So if you're doing a tattoo, especially a big one, feel free to wipe away some excess ink so that you can see what you're doing. It's a permanent tattoo if done correctly, so you have to try to minimize mistakes and make sure it looks good. So yeah, I'm just going to finish up the top, well not top, the first layer of the tattoo, and then show you guys how it looks like in a bit. Okay guys, so the first layer is officially done. I'm going to continue doing a couple of layers until I'm happy with it, until it's nice and dark and not as faint as it looks over here. So yeah, enjoy the video guys. And I just wanted to quickly say, if you haven't already, please make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. I post a lot more content that I think you guys should definitely check out. And I just wanted to ask you guys if you could comment whether you've done a stick and poke before, and if you have, how long have you had it and what is it? Because if this goes well, I'm thinking of doing more ideas and I wouldn't mind getting some suggestions. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so this is how it looks after maybe 45 minutes of poking it, and honestly I like it. You might not, but that's okay. And it was starting to get like swollen, so I decided to stop. So now I am just going to clean up and pack away the utensils and stuff that I use. Utensils is the wrong word, but you know what I mean. It's important to pack this stuff away because we need to be considerate of the people who take away our trash. They have to touch the trash bags, and if you don't pack away the needles properly, they'll get pierced. So just be mindful of when you are packing away and throwing away the stuff. Now I'm just going to wash this with this antibacterial non-fragrant soap, and then after that I'm just going to wrap that with some wrap that I got, like tattoo wrap, for about 2 hours I think. I can't remember how long I wrapped it for, but yeah, I think it's about 2 hours. Alright guys, so now that this is out of its wrapping, I'm going to take this TATOO Aftercare ointment and apply that to the tattoo. I also got this on AliExpress. Pretty much everything I've used on here is from AliExpress, so this whole process is quite decently priced. So if you want to do this cheap and safely, I definitely recommend buying this stuff. That is going to be in the description down below. So yeah, that is it for the video guys. I really like how my tattoo came out, and if you do decide to do it to yourself, do it at your own risk. And yeah, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.